Faerie Glen to Hunter. Keep exploring, keep questioning, keep loving. Oh, this is not child's play. It's paved, which makes it kind of easier. But I think that paving sort of just made them feel like they have the license to make it very steep. Faerie Glen. An idea how steep. And when it gets there to the end, probably just curves a bit and rises again. Gijima, 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 Fana, Gijima, away, Gijima, Mama Soldier. We are on top. Yeah, so there's no paving. It's not as steep. But by the time you get here, or by the time I'm getting here, I don't have much breath, don't have much air left in my lungs. Shoo. I finally reached the peak. I think the toughest part is done. It's absolutely beautiful. So who was I actually fooling? Thinking the toughest part is done, because the toughest part is never the going up, it's the going down. It really tests your legs, tests your balance. And I had to be the guy holding a bottle of water without a backpack and these headphones that I'm not even using. In memory of Lincoln Hartley. After all that, then Strava says you've only done a kilometer and it's taking you 35 minutes to do a kilometer. After all of that walking, I quit. Yeah, the spiders here. Just someone make a hammock to catch insects. Why am I deciding to climb again? I don't know, but I'm gonna climb again. Let's see what's gonna happen. More hammocks. How beautiful is nature? This is where I must decide. That one there takes me. Oh, I had to say lookout point. Yeah, I was gonna say it goes to the hill, and this one goes around the hill. But I think this one will be shorter. Maybe harder. Let's try it. Why did I have to say lookout point? I can't resist lookout points. Oh. It's a lot. It's a lot. This is where I climbed down. I think I should have been wearing shorts for this. And these. I realized that I could be making excuses. Nah, but this is not my level yet. Aye, not today. We're turning back. We've done a climb, and we did do this climb as well, which was not child's play. That I'm gonna have to now climb down. Can't really see it on the videos actually. Just in there. hopefully there's no poison in these plants, because well, there's no way of climbing down here without support. Manje, the last time I said the West is behind, climbing a hill, wanting to turn back halfway, and proceeded. And now here I am, tempted to say the West is over again. But I'll hold on to those words. When I was convinced that it's flat all the way, still gotta climb down. Thing about Faerie Glen, it's really badly marked, hey? So there are moments where you feel like I don't actually know where to go here, but we move.